Bastille Day is celebrated each July 14th as the French National Day, and a commemoration of the storming of the Bastille, an important event during the French Revolution in which 18th century, commoners mounted up on hoverboards and buzzed around the Parisian prison, in open revolt against Louis XVI's government forces. President Emmanuel Macron tweeted out a clip from this year's military parade, that shows the latest marvel to be born of France's modern and innovative army, a dude in a helmet, flying above the Champs-Élysées on a levitating platform while holding a rifle. It was created to fly above water, can run for 10 minutes, and is capable of reaching speeds of up to 190 km per hour. In case the rifle's menace the skies with didn't make it clear enough, France's Armed Forces Minister also clearly stated that the device can be used to test all sorts of different uses, for example as a flying logistical platform or, indeed, as an assault platform. U.S. high-performance gyroplanes maker Skyworks, in collaboration with Scaled Composites to build a high-speed rotwa aircraft demonstrator, of feature combat Gyrodyne aircraft. Skyworks signed a collaboration agreement with Scaled Composites, to develop a new vertijet Gyrodyne aircraft to take part in the U.S. Army's various future vertical lift (FVL) competitions. The new aircraft designed to fly at speeds up to 400 miles per hour, and combine the key attributes of a helicopter and a fixed-wing aircraft, VTOL and hover capability of a helicopter combined with high-speed and efficient cruise capability of a fixed-wing airplane. According to the current information, the vertijet will be runway-independent aircraft, that can take off and land vertically and hover similar to a helicopter. The new Gyrodyne aircraft not constrained by the physics-imposed speed, range, and payload limitations of a helicopter. Vertijet will offer substantial performance advantages, higher speed, greater range, greater payloads, and higher payload efficiencies. The Vertijet will feature twin jet engines, a large rotor for takeoff and landing, 4 weapon hardpoints underneath the fixed wings, and twin booms with a horizontal stabilizer. The Russian armed forces have received 42 BMD-4M, airborne infantry fighting vehicles from Kurganmashzavod plant, which failed to deliver them in 2018 after France had refused to supply some of the components, Russian Vice Premier Yuri Borisov said on Friday. The BMD-4M airborne infantry fighting vehicle weighs 14 tons. It is armed with a 100mm gun, which also serves as a launcher for the Ark and anti-tank guided missiles. The ammunition load consists of 34 shells and 4 missiles, a 30mm automatic gun, the ammunition load is 500 shells, and a 7.62mm machine gun. The BMD-4M can reach 70 km per hour and float at a maximum speed of 10 km per hour. The crew consists of 3 men. The vehicle can carry up to 5 paratroopers.